If you have been looking to buy land in a buy and build area in Centenary City, Enugu, that's a built-up area where people are already living in Centenary City, Enugu. This is one of the best properties for you right there in the heart of Centenary City, Enugu. From the video, as you can see, the roads are tarred. That is, the internal road are tarred, and then the road leading to the estate is interlocked. Yeah, it is interlocked. So right in this estate, you have some properties for renting. That's rental buildings, like the 3-bedroom flat here. The rent is about 1.5 million naira, while that of 2-bedroom is about 1 million naira and above. Hence, even if you want to build for rental, you will still make your money. Yes, exactly. And if you want to build as a home, if you want to live there, the environment is very peaceful. As a matter of fact, there is maximum security. Yeah, there are about 3 gates before you get into this particular estate. That is to show you the rate of security right here. Now, in this estate, it has C of O. The plots are very, very limited. Yeah, we can also help you we can help you with your building plans. Yeah, to avoid any demolition or any issues, we can help you with your building plans at a token of 700,000 naira. Yeah, and then the price of the property here is actually supposed to be 40 million naira, given that the area is already built up, but then there is a discount of 2 million naira for you, means that you get a plot here at the rate of 38 million naira. Yes, just look around you. The plot size is 500 square meters. I mean, it's very large. It's 500 square meters and above. So let's just drive a little while within the estate for you to see that the roads are tarred and it is a built-up area. People are living here. Electricity, you can see, I mean, it's not a problem. People are actually living here, as you can see. Yeah, so call or WhatsApp me for more information to secure a plot for you right here. Call on the number showing on your screen right now. I am still your land director. Love it. Aneke. See you around.